Alright, let's go ahead and get this cabin filter. I'm going to show you guys how to change it, because it is a little weird, but I'm getting in the car and it smells like vinegar when I start the car up. So let's go ahead and get that changed out. Alright, so we just picked up the K&N, not the K&N. See what you got me saying? This is the air filter right here, the cabin filter. This is the stock one. $16 from AutoZone. I'm gonna show you guys how to install this. It's a little a little hectic, just because you have to go through the glove compartment. But I'm gonna show you step by step on how to change out the air filter. Hopefully it's not too bad, but it is kind of smelling a little weird when I start the truck up. So let's go ahead and take care of that. Go. Alright, so this is the cabin filter right here. It's right in the glove box. Open this up. This little piece right here is a rubber, and we're gonna go ahead and prop this off real quick. So you can actually just use your hands to get the clips off, just like this. And you can pull it right off, like that. Next, we got some bolts right in here. One right there, and one right there. And we're gonna go ahead and use, it looks like it's gonna be 7mm or 6mm, I can't even tell. But let's go ahead and get a socket set. And let's go ahead and start taking this off.
I see.
This, right off. There you go. Okay, can you get your hand in there?
Gotta make sure it's up the right way. See, there's usually an arrow with the airflow. Wow, that's dirty.
Oh, man.
That's really dirty. That could be what's smelling. Oh my God, look at that.
What is that? Is that a bug?
Yeah.
Look at the difference.
Holy smoke.
Wow.
So,
Don't throw that out.
so the air goes down, the airflow. So that's the way it was.
Wait, turn around.
See the arrow?
Yeah.
It's pointing down. So the arrows have to point down. So this just slides in now. You'll probably get a much better flow too now with your AC and everything. Snaps back in.
It hurts that.
Yeah. You want to clean that? Dust it off?
Just plugged that in, pop this in. Let's go ahead and tighten this up. Now, took like 15 minutes, 10 minutes. Pretty simple. This piece, and we are going to snap that back in.
Put in right?
I think it's snapped in. I think so.